UK HVAC company just added £50,000 in new cash jobs in 30 days, while everyone else in their area complained about a slow season. Do you want their playbook? Ever wonder why the firm down the road is always booked out while your schedule has gaps? It isn't luck or better engineers. They follow a repeatable lead flow system that maximizes every single click. Step 1, targeted homeowner ads. Step 2, an outbound AI voice agent that calls inquiries in seconds. Step 3, automated appointment booking. We are so confident in this machine, we guarantee to triple your ROI in 90 days. Or we work for free until you do. We strictly limit this to 3 HVAC companies per 30-kilometer radius. Click the button below, fill out your details, and see if your area is still available to lock in your strategy session.